I'm not sure this is really a good deal. I just saw this. I was making another video. I saw this. I thought I would stop and do something separate on this because I see DX Engineering is doing all these bundle type things lately. So the 7300 by itself is probably about $1,200. I mean, that's what you're going to pay if you buy one. You'll pay $1,220. Then you'll get a $100 mail-in rebate back later. The problem is because the tax is on $1,399, so basically $1,400 you're paying tax on. The 20 amp hour battery, I forget what they were charging for that. It's kind of expensive. It's like almost $200. A 60 watt foldable panel. It's really not enough. But it depends on how compact it is. It would not be enough to run continuously. You wouldn't be able to use that and keep this battery continuously charged around the clock if you were operating the radio a lot. But I think it would be enough to keep it topped off because most people are going to be mostly listening. This charge controller is absolutely junk. I don't know if it gives more information when we click on it. But this is a total, like, Ching Chong rebranded, garbage ass Amazon MPPT controller. Now, $49 is about normal for something like this, but you would be much better suited to get yourself a Renogy, which still is low quality, MPPT, to where you could actually take advantage of the maximum power point tracking. So what these ones do is they regulate the voltage by wasting it. Yeah, unfortunately, they're just not like grossly overpriced, but you probably can buy something about the same for 20 bucks. Interesting. Anyway, I'm just curious what the antenna was. I don't actually see it. High visibility orange coax cable. It reminds me of the cable TV stuff they use around here. Not heard of this. Interesting. I don't know. I guess somebody's probably buying these things.